Hey everyone, Moshe here, the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all my patrons and those who use my link to buy their Tesla. Thank you. I'm going to show you this video. This is a video of a race between Tesla Model 3, who use the tunnel, the Boring Company tunnel, and the Tesla Model 3 who use the street. And of course, guess who is going to win? The one who was in the tunnel, obviously, traveling at 127 miles per hour and showing the potential of digging tunnels to cross busy metropolitan cities. Let's say LA, Las Vegas. Oh God, I hate Las Vegas traffic. It's awful. Las Vegas human traffic, not car traffic necessarily. Elon Musk said that they're going to do Chicago and Las Vegas and other places. So obviously it's a great idea. Now let me tell you something about this video. The reason I'm showing you this video, I think it's a stunt, and obviously in real life there's going to be a line going down to those tunnels. You will not be able to drive as fast because there are going to be a lot of cars in it. Not to diminish this. I think it's a great idea, and it could help solving a lot of problems. But I just wanted to share with you this video. It's cute, but in real life, it's not going to be like that. So let me know what you think, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video.